you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are joining us for the very first time, hey, how are you? My name is Jennifer and I post beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on my channel 3 times a week. So if you like that type of content, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram. I'm always posting on there every single day. I'd love to get to know you guys a little bit. So today's video came highly requested from all of you guys. I had a bunch of DMs on Instagram asking me if I did a tutorial on this look, if I can recreate this look for a tutorial. And it was the same look that I wore in my fall fashion haul video. And it was the same look that I was wearing in my fall fashion haul video. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it above and down below for you guys. So if you want to see how I recreated this look, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and keep on watching. All right, you guys, so I literally just filmed this entire eye look. And when I got done, I realized my camera was never recording. So I had to wipe it all off. So if my eyes look very dark, that is why, because I just literally wiped off this gorgeous look so that way I could refilm it for you guys. What you're gonna need to do this gorgeous brown smoky eye is you're gonna need an eyeshadow base. And typically with dark smoky eyes, I like to use a black eyeshadow base. So I'm going to use the P. Louise base in black. But if you have a nude or skin toned or clear eyeshadow base, that's fine as well. It'll totally work for this look. So I'm just going to take the P. Louise base in black on a beauty blender and I'm just going to apply it to my eyelids. And don't worry if your base is not perfect, if it doesn't look perfect, it will add to the smoky effect. So just don't worry about it and don't panic if it's not looking perfect. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this look, you're gonna need a light brown eyeshadow and a dark brown eyeshadow. And you can use any two that you have at home. For this look today, I'm gonna use the One Size Beauty Visionary palette. And I'm going to use the shade Suede Charm, which is this one right here. This is going to be my light brown, and I'm gonna use the dark brown shade called Brownie. Now, if you don't have this palette and you're going to use anything from your collection, I just recommend that both of the eyeshadows that you choose are matte because it will come out better. So with a fluffy brush, which is the Morphe M453 brush, I'm going to dip into the shade Suede Charm and I'm going to apply it on my crease. And I am applying this crease color from inner corner to outer corner. I'm doing it the whole length. Okay, so next up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This is the Morphe M421 brush. And I'm going to dip into the dark brown shadow. The one I'm using is called Brownie. And what you're gonna do is you're going to apply this all over the lid from inner corner to outer corner. And I'm going to bring it slightly above the crease just because I have hooded eyes. So I'm not bringing it above the crease, just slightly to the crease. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a fluffy brush, just like you used to apply the first shade, and I'm gonna take a little bit more of that light brown color, and I'm just going to really concentrate this in my crease. Now I'm not blending it out because I already have my crease blended out. Now the purpose for me going back and concentrating this into my crease is just to blend out the edge from my lid color. Don't panic if you notice that your lid color is starting to fade or blend away, because what we're gonna do now is we're gonna dip back into our matte dark brown color and just reapply it to the eyelid. Okay, and so that is literally it for the eyes. It is super, super easy. So just as a recap, you started with the light brown shade in the crease, you then applied the chocolate brown on the lid, went back in the crease with the light brown shade, and then went back to the lid with the dark brown shade. So very simple, using two eyeshadows. Now, if you want, you can bring the chocolate brown color underneath your lower lash line and smoke it out with the lighter color. But because you guys requested the exact look I wore the other day, I didn't do that. So for today's look, I'm actually not gonna apply anything to the lower lash line. So next up is eyeliner, and I'm going to use my all-time favorite liner, which you guys know is the Essence Liquid Ink. I cannot do my liner without this product. It is so good, and it just makes doing winged liner super easy. And the best part is it's all of $4, so you really can't beat that. For mascara today, I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes Volume 2 mascara. And I picked this up at the Nordstrom anniversary sale in one of the beauty gift sets that they had. It's a very lightweight mascara, but it builds really, really nicely. And I like that it doesn't get clumpy. I love that the wand is an actual brush. It's not one of those plastic spiky ones, so I really do appreciate that. Now, if you guys want to do mascara on your lower lash line, feel free. I never do because it always transfers onto my cheekbone area. So if lower lash line mascara is your thing, go ahead and do that. And then to complete this look, I'm going to go in with my new favorite, Huda Beauty lashes. This is in the style Camille. It's number 16, Shardy. And what I love about these lashes, like I wore them one time, and it was when I created this look a few days ago, and they are technically those outer corner lashes, but oh my God, they look so good. But I can already tell these are going to be my everyday go-to lashes because they're mainly just for the outer corner. What I love is the fact that I don't have to trim them. I plop them on, they go from the outer corner to about mid-eye, and because I have hooded eyes, it looks beautiful. Because typically with lashes, I will find pairs where they're really short in the front and then gradually get longer, but these are just so perfect. You don't have to do anything to them. So I am going to apply these lashes and I will be right back. Okay, so lashes are on. I love this look. It is so perfect for fall. So if you haven't checked out these lashes, I will leave my affiliate link in the description. No pressure to buy them. I'm not here to sell you anything. I just love to share with you guys things that I personally love and use every day. So if you use my link, thank you. I appreciate your support. So now for the lips, you can use any dark shade that you like. I am going in with Rare Beauty Thrilling. It is one of their matte liquid lipsticks, and it is this dark chocolate brown color. And it's interesting because in person it looks very chocolatey and very, very cool, perfect for fall. But then on camera it comes off a little red. So it's a little interesting. I love the shade. So this is the shade. It looks so beautiful on. I love it. I'm really loving the Rare Beauty products. Now I will say with these, sometimes when you go to first apply them, they come on a little bit translucent. Well, maybe translucent isn't the word, but they come on lighter. So I feel like with this shade in particular, I do have to do almost like 2 coats for it to be this color. In order to complete this look, I do want to add just a little bit more bronzer and some highlight. So I'm gonna go in basically with my Benefit bronzer, and I'm just going to add just a hair more because it's fall. I really want this look to be on the bronzy side. And I just do like just a tiny amount. I'm not going in full force. This is just to warm up the face just a little bit more. And for highlighter, I'm going to take the Jaclyn Cosmetics The Flare palette. It's the one with all 4. And the shade I'm going to take is Exposure, which is the dark brown one down here. And then I'm also going to take Made Ya Look, which is the second shade up here. Now, if you are a little bit lighter than I am, then I would maybe stick with the first 2, have this one be your darker shade. So I'm going to use this as my nose highlight. Now, this is a very, very bronzy shade. So if I apply it directly with a brush, sometimes it's a little too brown for my skin tone. So that's why I like to just dab it lightly with my finger first, so that way I can really feel how much product I'm applying, and then I like to blend it out with my brush. And I'm gonna put just a little bit on the cheeks right here, and it's just a really pretty bronzy look. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the second shade, which was the lighter one, which is Made Ya Look, and I'm going to apply that on top of where I just highlighted with my brush. And I feel like these 2 colors together just give the skin a really pretty bronzy glow. Now, because I am dark, I want this look very warm. I just feel like going in with a brown toned highlighter is really kind of staying on track versus having a really beaming highlight. I feel like that would contradict the look a little bit. And then I'm going to take a small pencil brush, and I'm dipping into the same Made Ya Look shade, and I'm just going to apply it on my inner corner. And then to add a little bit more of a highlight under my brows, I'm just taking that Made Ya Look and going right under my brow. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching me recreate this look from the other day. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're new, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button because I have a ton of videos coming, especially fall related videos. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.